Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how the Easter Bunny works in Garden game of Roblox in new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the pets from the Easter update and I'm going to view the ability. Okay, every 23 minutes hides an Easter egg reward in a random spot. Finding the Easter egg grants great rewards or very positive effects. Okay, now I'm gonna find the hidden Easter egg and we'll get like notification on our screen. It will say the Easter Bunny hid an Easter egg somewhere and you need to find it. And the egg can be anywhere, guys. It can be in your garden or outside your garden. So watch out and just keep looking around and you will find the Easter egg. Okay, I'm still looking for it, guys. Okay, it's right there. And we need to go to the egg. And I got special effect from the Easter egg. And yeah, that's how the Easter Bunny works in Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.